So this is a different type of getting ready with me that you're going to see. I'm getting ready for Rahul's Manmadadu 2's audio launch. Hi, this is Chinmayi and today going to be polyglutamic acid is a now what is polyglutamic acid? And the last was and Hanuman is doing my hair, so I'm actually literally running against time. And I'm setting my eyeshadows base, as in I'm setting the concealer on the top of my eyelids with the Mercier setting powder, loose setting powder. I'm using the Colourpop's I Think I Love You palette today. I'm using a transition shade in the crease and actually a nude shade. This is called My Treat on my brow bone. I'm wearing a silverish dress today and it is silver, it's not silverish, it is silver. And I'm going to be telling you at the end of this video the outfit that I'm wearing and who, Srimukhi has styled me. And I'm going to leave her Instagram account's details in the description box down below. And this all over shade I'm going with something silver. I'm curling my lashes so that they'll be like set and ready in a little while to wear my mascara. I'm going with a peachy bronzy shade into my crease a little bit again. I prep my eyes with the under eyes, especially with the Olay Henriksen Banana Bright Cream, and the primer I have on now is a Smashbox Photo Finish Soft Blur primer. This one, yeah, foundation primer. So that's that. This is the Fenty Beauty concealer. I'm using the Benefit roller liner to line my eyes, and you'll see a lot of noise in the house today because a lot of people are getting ready. I'm going with the Kat Von D lash liner to line my lower lashes. Maybe I'll actually do that once I'm set with the rest of the face and the foundation. I'm going with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation and a bit of the Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation in 4W2 Chai. I think this is a tad darker than what I should have, but anyway. With that done, I'm setting my under eyes with the Mercier powder and I let it bake for a little while. I'm going in with the Hoola Benefit powder and the Morphe M6 brush to just lightly contour my nose. I just dotted a little bit of the Fenty Beauty concealer around my forehead and this area. Going in with the Clinique Chubby stick to just lightly contour my jaw and my cheekbone. I'm going in with the Kat Von D lash liner while my under eyes are still baking. So this is the Colourpop Lunch Money highlighter. My sindoor is in place. I'm using the RMS Beauty Lip to Cheek in Paradise. Just gonna be dotting this and I should be done. The mascara of choice today is the PatMcGrath Labs Fetish Eyes. I am going to be wearing the YSL Tatouage Couture Matte Stain in 16. I'm going to mix this up with a little bit of the 23. And that's it, children. I am done. The jewelry that I'm going to be wearing at the end of this video is courtesy Armani, and the clothes are courtesy Origins. So that's going to be the closing shot in this video. Yes, you'll be hearing a lot of talking in this video, but a lot of people are getting ready in the house right now. So we have to leave. I'll see you later. I hope you kinda got a sense of what I exactly did with my makeup and everything in this video. And I'm going to be leaving all the products that I used in the description box down below. Until I see you next time, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.